Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, in part 6 video, you had learned about grazing methods. In this video, you will learn about fodder management. After taking a decision to start sheep and goat farm, the first work to be done is sowing of green fodder seeds. Once fodder seed is sown, next work to be done is starting of construction of a shed, purchase of feeding troughs, water feeders, chaff cutter, agreement with labor, fencing, electricity, like all these items which are required for successful running of a farm. After 60 to 70 days, you will get first crop of green fodder like maize, etc. So you should plan for purchase of sheep after 60 to 70 days of sowing of green fodder. It means you should be able to provide sufficient food, sufficient water, etc. to the flock immediately after bringing flock to the shed. Everything should be ready so that you can just monitor it carefully. There are three types of green fodder. The first one is legume based green fodder. Second one is non-legume based green fodder. Cereal based fodder also it is called. And the third one is tree based green fodder. Now details about green fodder. Under this legume based green fodder, there are two types of grass fodder. They are annual crops and perennial crops. Now the details about annual crops. Cowpea. Cowpea green grass can be grown in tropical and subtropical and warm temperature regions. This grass can be cultivated throughout the year. Cowpea will be ready for harvesting in 45 to 50 days after sowing the seeds. The next one is barsim. The barsim is mainly valued as a winter crop in the subtropics as it grows well in mild winter and recovers strongly after cutting. It does not grow well under hot summer conditions. Therefore, barsim has to be sown in early autumn and can thus provide feed during the colder months. Barsim is a fast growing, high quality forage that is mainly cut and fed as green chopped forage. Barsim will be ready for harvesting 50 to 60 days after sowing the seeds. Therefore, barsim can be harvested every 30 to 40 days. Now about perennial green fodder. Stylo. Stylo is a perennial grass. Stylo grass can be grown in sub-humid tropical and subtropical regions with a marked dry season. Stylo will be ready for harvesting in 50 to 60 days after sowing. Stylo can be cut 8 to 10 times in a year up to 4 years. Now about lucerne. Lucerne also is a perennial grass. Lucerne grass can be sown in subtropical and subtropical regions. Lucerne will be ready for harvesting in 50 to 60 days after sowing. Lucerne can be cut 8 to 10 times in a year up to 3 years. Now about tree based fodder. Subabul, K8 and Cunningham. Now about non-legume green fodder. there are two types in this non-legume annual. There are number of varieties in non-legume annual varieties. They are hybrid maize, PC6, PC9 and PC23, SSG Harasona, African tall maize, sorghum, tyosin, etc. Now about perennial green fodder. NB21, APPN, CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4 and CO5, paragrass, guinea grass, cincarus grass, etc. are called as perennial grass. Tree-based fodder, subabul tree fodder, Sesbania tree fodder and Gliricidia fodder. So my request to the farmer brothers is, before sowing the seeds and before plantation of the perennial grass and green trees about the fodder, kindly contact your area government agricultural officers for new varieties and regarding sowing assistance and seed varieties, so that you can have better fodder management. Thank you very much. All the best.